Sifted, folded, glazed, garnished. What is the recipe for luxury? There's a hotel in Vienna that is as famous for a 4-inch by 4-inch square of chocolate cake as it is for its timeless hospitality. And this infamous cake has quite an unusual story to tell. Each hotel in the luxury collection is a collection of captivating stories, extraordinary moments, and local customs, all carefully curated for destination-defining experiences. This series is a closer look inside the collection. It's the morning of April 28, 1873. In the heart of Vienna, Hotel Imperial is just waking up, the lobby buzzing with anticipation. The Emperor of Austria has requested something different this morning, something never created before. The kitchen is thrown into a frenzy. The master chef at one station rifling through recipes, the pastry team inverting mousses and pulling out elaborate molds. Meanwhile, a young pair of hands finally whips a chocolate cream. Thinly sliced almonds, layer upon layer, added with the utmost precision. You see, the thing about this cake at Hotel Imperial, aside from the exquisite attention to detail, its velvety exterior, its intoxicating aroma, is that this centuries-old recipe wasn't dreamt up from the imagination of the master chef, but by a mere kitchen apprentice. An undiscovered talent who on a whim tried his prodigious hand at something exceptional, a confection that was in fact a request from a royal patron, to create a marvel that has become a signature of Austrian opulence and artistry for hundreds of years. This is the cake that captivated Vienna and grows richer with every bite.